I was popping, everybody. Welcome to another video, another trade recap. To show you the trade I took today. I made about 480 bucks across my two accounts. I'm gonna show y'all the screenshot right now. Took one trade today, one win. Very happy with it. Oh wait, I got it. My bad. Quick trade recap though. Gonna keep this short and sweet, but here's my P&L from today. Very small day, but I'm happy with it. I was really just looking for a base hit. It's a no news Monday. Didn't expect too much from the market. I was also lower risk, as y'all can see. I'm trading micros today. Didn't want to apply risk. So I'm gonna tell you what I was looking for coming into the day. My bias and what I was anticipating on seeing. So Jesus, actually my trading view been tweaked. I'm not even about to mess with it too much. But coming into the day, honestly, I was very neutral. I wasn't too sure if I wanted to see longs or sells because if you are in the Discord group, you did see I said I wanted to see this 1 hour get inverse, and I wanted to see price really start to rebalance lower. I feel like we are severely overbought. As y'all can see, we have this unfilled 4 hour that is resting within this kind of the range, and then also when you look at the daily, we have the unfilled daily volume balance, the unfilled daily gap, and when you really zoom out, the daily, we're overbought. I feel like I do think we need a retracement eventually. So I was kind of wanting to see more. I wanted to see us be more bearish at the start of the week and then potentially flip towards Wednesday, Thursday after FOM, or not FOMC. What's today? This week, PMI, Powell speaks, unemployment things, all that. I wanted to see that be bullish, and I wanted to see us come into the week with more bearish order flow. However, that's not what we got. We put in an SMT at the opening gap. Let me just go to NQ. I'll show y'all everything I was looking at because my chart is more marked up here. So coming into NQ, I wanted to see us retap into down here. However, we put it in SMT. ES ended up tapping the weekly opening gap, which is what this box is down here. And as you can see, ES or NQ never came back down for this. We also put in another SMT coming into, I want to say it was at these lows. Let me double check. We had an SMT. Yeah, we had an SMT at these 15-minute lows down here. And we are displacing out of the hourly gap. So from there, that was leading me to be a little bit more bullish, but I wanted to see more. I wanted to see more structure. I wanted to be more sure with my bias. So we had this SMT at these 15-minute lows. And then from here, I really was just waiting. I was waiting for something. We did end up coming and taking London off of open. We didn't have any real structure to base a trade off of. So I was really just waiting. There was nothing clean, honestly. So once we took London and we tapped the weekly opening gap, I was looking for sells. I wanted to see if we were going to get a sell model, and I was just going to try to scalp a short potentially to this resting internal sell side level here if we inverse this 3 minute. However, we never did. Never inversed, so we ended up holding it, and this was the first entry. I know Ant took this trade. If you are in the Discord group, Anthony took this long right here. Shout out to him. He took this long. Very good model. For me, I wanted to wait. He took the initial inversion 1 minute. I wanted to wait until the weekly opening gap got disrespected, because to me, I like to always just be 100% confident in my entry. I don't want anything that can potentially cause my trade to go wrong. If there's a reason not to take the trade, I'm not going to take it. And this was my reason, because as y'all can see, we were respecting it for a very long time. We took a minute to get it back over. But once we did, I'm going to go back to MNQ right quick so I can see. Once we did, I don't know why my trading view been like acting mad slow today. I did show y'all the executions though. Y'all already seen it earlier. Y'all can rewind it. Once we did get this change in the state above this high right here, that's when I entered my position. My stop was, I want to say I had like a 5-point stop beneath this gap right here. So I measured out 5 points, and my stop was like down here, wanting just to see literally that previous high. I want to say this is Asia's high. Yeah, this is Asia's high. That's all I wanted to see. I didn't even intend on leaving runners just because it's a no news Monday. We did still, so once we broke this London SMT, actually, this is something I want to talk about. We broke this London SMT. ES ended up pushing up higher, and we also ended up tapping into the weekly opening gap. Now, at first, ES was starting to show hesitation. Y'all see we swept the high initially, and we started to pull back. From there, I moved my stop loss to break even. My trade at that point was like right here. I went to break even just because I didn't want to see ES spark a reversal after tapping a bearish PD array. So I went to break even. As y'all can see, got very lucky, very blessed. Price ended up continuing straight to my target, and I took all off right there. Very simple trade. literally just entered kind of late. You know, off this initial 1 minute model, we respected the 5 minute, got the 1 minute model, and we also got this change above this high that we were previously respecting from the weekly opening gap, and that was my entry. I liked it. I think that this is honestly perfect. All I needed today, so I'm happy. And that's basically it. I do have the market maker model video dropping today at 12, so y'all be prepared for that. Definitely think I dropped a lot of gems in that. And I have a couple other educational videos as well coming for y'all, so I do hope that y'all appreciate those. I hope that y'all enjoy them and let me know what y'all think. Let me see if I can come back to MNQ now and actually show y'all what I was, so I can show the exact executions. Man. Yeah, as y'all can see, I entered once we got the change in the state, took all off at that high. I could have left a runner, but I would have gotten stopped at break even anyway. So it's fine. I made what I made today, right under $1,000, like $900 something. So I'm fine with today. No News Monday. I will catch y'all in the next one. Free Discord in the bio, by the way. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I appreciate you. Thank you.